Hi, I am Anuj Sharedalal. I am heading the Offshoring Services division at CRS Consulting. CRS helps CA firms or businesses who need reliable resources for their accounting and taxation needs. We at CRS, we work with the values of agility, commitment, empowerment, and sincerity. And our legacy of 72 plus years and 1000 plus satisfied clients helps us to provide them these much needed services. I am having more than 15 years of industry experience. My passion is to help CA firms or businesses looking for reliable resources for their accounting and taxation needs. We observed that due to the pandemic, there was a shortage of reliable staff, especially in countries like Australia, the UK and the US. We started approaching CA firms and businesses, through mutual connections. We trained our team and we adapted to thinking in a different line of a different manner to understand where they come from and to understand the culture, and that is what has given us an advantage in terms of satisfactorily serving these clients. Before expanding globally, we had sometimes one-off transactions with global clients, and they used to wire us the money through the traditional route through our banks. And when the volume increased, we realized that it's very cumbersome and a lot of paperwork is involved while dealing with our traditional legacy bankers. Focused on two things. How can we find a solution that is cost effective and convenient? And after researching in the market, we came across Payoneer, and we found that Payoneer has a cost advantage as well versus the bank charges, and is convenient as well. So we went with Payoneer. So I'm reminded here of one of my very first meetings with the relationship team at Payoneer. So they asked us for our past data on how we are receiving the money, and they actually demonstrated to us that if we use Payoneer, what would be the savings per transaction. And that is what I think was the factor that sealed the deal there. So Payoneer, in terms of its costing, was very transparent, and we can see the benefits after using it. The experience with Payoneer so far has been delightful. In terms of market access and amplification, it has been wonderful because we recently had a new client in the UK for whom we had to receive payments. So it just took a day to open a receiving account in the UK. Apart from that, there's an option of also generating a payment link and sending to the client, so that the client has the full freedom to pay by whatever mode it is more convenient for them. Payoneer is almost like 0% human intervention when it comes to collecting money. Payoneer, there's a lot of ease of operating the website as well as receiving payments, and it's very easy for our clients since we have a receiving account in their country. So it becomes very easy for our client to make a local bank transfer, and thereafter Payoneer takes the rest of the load. With Payoneer, I am always confident of receiving money from any country from my clients. Also, it saves me the hassle of explaining the process to them of how to make a payment. Seeing the cutting edge product, it also inspires us as a firm to develop such solutions for our clients and customers. I am also inspired by the customer service and the convenience offered by Payoneer. Having cutting edge technology product at your fingertips will definitely be a shot in the arm for your business as well as your reputation in the global market.